Hello friends, Nihar from here. Today we are going to talk about elastic file system inside the storage. In last video we already talked about the S3 and today we will be start about the EFS means elastic file system in Amazon. What is EFS and how to create a EFS file, that also cover in today tutorial. Let's go to start it. So guys, again I am going to repeat in here. First you have to log in Amazon. Once you will be log in, you can be see the service inside right side in your computer, and after click the service and below you can be see here is the storage and here is EFS. Just click the EFS. Otherwise go to the search box and write in here EFX S, not X. Once you will be writing a EFS, here is coming EFS. Okay. So anyway, you can be find EFS in here, and once you will be just click the EFS. Once you will be click, you will be get the page to create EFS file. Okay. So how to create the file system that you are now going to. This is Amazon Elastic File System. Is it scalable, elastic, cloud native, NFS file system? Last video we already talked about before. What is about the NFS network file system? Okay. And here is the page to create file system. First we are going to create a file system. Then after we will be talk access point. Let's click to create a file system. Just click it. Once you click, here is the option is coming name. Name your file system. I am going to write in here my first file system. Okay. This is virtual private cloud. Okay. I am going to select default in here. Then the regional and the zones. You know guys well about what is the regionals and the zones. You have to select one of them. I am going to select this regional. Store data across the multiply AZS. So I am going to select this regionals in here. Then after click the create. Once you click the create, it's right now it's creating. Okay. The file system is creating. You can be see on the above. The processing is going on in here. Okay, success. The file system FS something is available. Now it's created. And below you can be see the name is my first file system. Then file system ID. Then type is encrypted. Total size is 60 KB and size standard zone. Everything in here. Okay. And the available zone is regional. Okay. So after that you can be viewing here. Just click it. If you want, you view details in here. And after view it, here is the option you want to delete or attach. Okay. And you have to option to edit this my file system. Just click the edit. Here is the option, and also new one you can be seen here, life cycle management, this cost effectivity. As per that, you can be select the time period. Okay, here is default is 30 days access point. If you want, you can be change it for 40 days, for 90 days, for 60 days, anything you can be change it, and again just click the save change. Once you did, again you will be seeing your details. This is the monitoring, you guys know the cloud is watching. Then second, here is the text. You have to use the text. If you don't use the text, it cannot be show in here. So here is the option is manage the text. Then file system policy. Here is the file system policy. Okay. Then the access point that will be talk in next video. Then this is the network. Okay, this is the file and is all about the details. Okay, so now we are going to, what will we do? We have to delete this file. Okay, so just you can be seen here, the option is the delete. Okay, just click it, and here it's asking confirm to delete, enter the file system ID. Just cancel it once again. You can be know what is the file system ID. Once you click, just cancel it. Once you cancel, you can be see guys in here, this is the file system ID. Okay, you have to use this one to when you are going to cancel it. Okay, just go to view details. Again we are going to the view details, otherwise you can be canceling there. Okay, just I go to the view details, and here is the option also again is delete. Then just write this one, confirm to deletion by entering this file. Just write the file ID. Okay, this is the file ID. Just I am going to enter in here. Just check there will also no space. Okay, and click to confirm to delete this one. Deleting the target file system, mount target file system, EFS something ending with A. Now the process is going on. It will take within 1 minute. Some of the case it's may be taken. There maybe I think today internet little bit slow in my system. Yeah. Now you can be see success. The file system is deleted. Success. Okay. So there is no file system in my dashboard. Okay. If you want, again here is the option to create a files. So guys, today we cover elastic file system, and there how to create a file system that we cover in today's tutorial. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe me, and next video we will talk about the access point in elastic file system. Till then guys, bye bye and see you in next video.